These gifts come with great responsibility, okay?
Okay.
You have to take very good care of them.
Okay.
Okay? This is a big deal. Okay, open them.
It's an iPhone. I got a mini iPad.
Wow.
A phone. A mini iPad. Wait a second. I got a mini. Wait 1 second. Dang it! Underwear. Oh, come on. That was so close. I'm trying, okay? Why? Anyway. Why?
Hey, what kind of responsibility is that, throwing your underwear on?
Underwear. You tricked me. You tricked us.
Merry Christmas!